It's Christmas! We've also got some Christmas crackers. And then, what else have we got? In our bag, Christmas wrapping paper. I'm doing a little haul. Christmas wrapping paper. And then, what else have we got? Bread. No, we've also got some tags and tape and bread from Gales. That's what we just went and got. Are we ready to do the tree?
Yeah.
Let's get the tree up. Right, we have brought the wrong Christmas tree.
Nah, it's fine.
It doesn't fit.
It does fit. It's even more like a forest now.
Right, and these are, we've got to separate all these out so they look beautiful.
Like you.
We have got a literal jungle. It looks like a garden. It looks like a garden centre in here. It actually looks like a garden centre.
On that note,
It's not broken. Crackers. How cute does it look in here? Looks magical, doesn't it? We need to get something for the table though. And I was in the shape of a pudding because it's pudding.